All right, here we go. Question number 16. Forgot to change that. 16 from our 13-16 homework number 7 in MyLab Math. They want us to identify and graph this polar equation. So we have choices of cardioid or limacon. And if you look over here, you can see that both cardioid and limacon are in the form of R equals A plus or minus B, either sine or cosine of theta. And so we do have that format. This is R equals A minus B cosine theta. And so it's either going to be a cardioid or a limacon. I happen to know that these numbers, the A and the B, have to be equal for it to be a cardioid. So this is definitely going to be a limacon. I just need to determine if it's with an inner loop or without an inner loop. And so we're going to go to Desmos to help us figure that out. I've already got the equation input into Desmos. If I turn it on, we can see that it is a limacon without an inner loop. Okay, so what does that mean? That means if A is greater than B, then it's not going to have an inner loop. And then if I change it to where A is less than B, then we do get an inner loop. And just to show you what I meant a second ago, if A equals B, they call this a cardioid. It comes in and touches the axis here. So a cardioid is like a peach or an apple, and then a limacon either has an inner loop or it doesn't have an inner loop, depending on whether A and B, whether A is less than B or whether A is greater than B. And so now we know what this is. It's a limacon without an inner loop. And then it's going to want me to pick the correct graph. And how many do I have to pick from? I've got 4 to pick from. So which one was correct? If I bring that back up, it's flat on the right. And that's answer choice B, is flat on the right. And we're done. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.